Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the all new VS1 mini dash cam from Viofo. This is a single channel dash cam with an IMX675 Starvis2 5 megapixel sensor. Alright, let's check out the advertising on the box. Quad HD, Starvis2 sensor, Super Night Vision 2.0, multiple exposure HDR, MIS side, 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS logger, voice control, parking mode. Let's check out what's in the box. Oh, it is small. We have a file lock button on this side along with a power LED. This side we've got the Type-C power in. Oh, the mount's very tight. It almost folds flat, so it'd be fine for trucks or buses with a flat windscreen, any vehicle with a flat windscreen. This side we've got the IMX675 Starvis2 sensor behind a fixed window, and this side we've got the memory card slot, microphone on-off button. Would certainly be easy to conceal this unit behind your mirror. I'd say the unit would be about the size of a liquid paper bottle, if that makes sense. Okay, onto the rest of the box. We've got the usual bits and pieces, some electric static stickers and a user manual. Got a trim tool, PC to data USB cable, 12 volt power adapter and cable, spare sticky mount, and for a limited time this unit comes with a free 32 gig micro SD card. When I say limited time, I'm unsure exactly how long the promotion will run for. Okay, the hardwire kit. This must be slightly different configuration for this model. Once again, the 4 voltage settings, which is an excellent feature. There's a range of voltages from 12.4 to 11.8. These are a really good hardwire kit. Onto the Bluetooth remote. This is to lock files without fiddling around for the unit while you're driving. There's a spare battery included as well. This would be well worth adding to the setup, especially being the unit being so small. Alright, let's set up the app and play with some of the settings. Resolution 2560 by 1440 at 30 frames a second. Loop recording setting to 1 minute. Exposure, we'll leave that on 0, but you can see how many settings there are there. HDR on. Bitrate, we'll set this to high. Okay, everything else is okay there. Time zone, we'll set this to GMT plus 10, but we'll also have it synced to the phone. Parking mode, auto event detection. Parking recording timer, this is a question we get quite often. I'll set this to 24 hours, which will likely not last that long depending on how busy the area is or the voltage setting. So that should cover most setups. Enter parking mode to off. Key sensor to high. Parking detection to high. Voice control. These are the commands. GPS on. speed to kilometers, camera model and logo stamp is on. Format the SD card, simply activate that to format the card, only takes a couple of seconds. Text stamp to Aussiecams. Okay, there's no new firmware release, and let's head out and do the road test. We recently looked at the A229 Plus. I'd nearly go as far to say as this is sort of like a light version of the single channel version of the A229. It's got the same sensor, and I've put the images side by side. There isn't any real noticeable difference. The VS1 is an excellent addition to the Viofo range. It's a great design, very small, and certainly packs a punch. The VS1 retail price is $229. For a limited time, take $60 off that price and you'll get a free 32GB card. Jump on our website and check it out. Maximum size SD card is 512GB. I do like the Bluetooth file lock, especially with this size of unit. Be nothing worse than trying to fiddle around for the button behind your mirror. or you could certainly use voice control for that. What else? File lock button also doubles as the Wi-Fi sync with a long press, so the button on the back there syncs it with your phone. This unit could also be a rear or side camera addition to your own setup. This is by far the best entry-level dash cam I've seen. It's got all the bells and whistles you need. I'm certainly recommending the VS1 to anyone looking for a really good camera with a budget of around $200, which is probably messages we get probably 10 times a week. Voice control works really well. The unit's very user-friendly. Number plates are easily picked up on playback or review. I think we'll wrap it up there. Stay safe on the roads. Aussiecams over and out.